Can you run through the calcium metabolism and how that leads to the accumulation of iron? Like, what does parathyroid hormone have to do with iron overload?
The way parathyroid works, for example, under stimulation of the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system, that system activates the parathyroid hormone. Serotonin, pro-inflammatory, activates the parathyroid to provide more calcium to the bloodstream by taking it out of the bone. And the way it takes it out of the bone is to suppress the formation of carbon dioxide, because carbon dioxide helps the present calcium to crystallize into the bone as calcium carbonate. And when the CO2 production is lowered, it's replaced by glycolytic production of lactic acid, and the lactic acid in itself helps to dissolve the bone. The pH isn't the thing, because you can have a low pH with CO2 forming bone, and the same pH with lactic acid disassembling the bone. And in all the rest of your tissues, including the cells in your bone making the lactic acid, all of the intracellular processes, blood vessels in particular, suffer when they shift from producing carbon dioxide to producing lactate. The intracellular pH rises, increasing the negative ionization of the cell proteins, increasing their affinity for metals with a positive charge. Ionized calcium with two positive charges, iron, aluminum, lead, any other metal that is present will be stuck inside your soft tissue cells along with the calcium, especially if the calcium is deficient in your diet. You will be taking up more iron, aluminum, lead, whatever is present in your intestine. So the more calcium deficient you are, the more parathyroid hormone you make, and the more other metals will be present under the influence of parathyroid hormone to crystallize, poisoning your blood vessels and brain cells and kidney cells in particular.